What's going on YouTube? It's Craig, certified technician here at ApplianceVideo.com. And today we're going to show you how to go into the diagnostic mode on this Maytag freestanding oven. But before we get too far, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. And without further ado, let's jump right in. To enter Diagnostics, it's very simple. All you want to do is press on your keypad, cancel start, and then the display should show test on. During this portion, we can press different keys over to the left-hand side to activate different things, such as pressing the bake key, the broil key, the warming zone key, etc. And during each one of these key presses, you can test out that component. If it's not baking, go ahead and press the bake key and test out for 240 volts at your element. The same thing with the broil. Now there's different portions of diagnostics through this system. And the first one is that test mode. In this portion, as soon as you press cancel start, you'll want to go ahead and press the 3 key to start scrolling through different portions. The first thing you might find would be usage, relay usage, followed by ENG mode. The next one will be test mode, version, display, control reset, faults. So when you're trying to diagnose your oven, the first thing you're going to want to do is check your fault codes. So go ahead and scroll to number 7 where it says faults, and then go ahead and press start. And here's some of the common fault codes you might find inside your system. There are F1 error codes, which would be probably within the main control board. F2 error codes, which would also be the UI/control. F3 error codes for main sensor open or shorted. F5 error codes for your door switch, or an F6 error code, which would typically be for an overheat. When you have an overheat error code, make sure you test your elements to ensure they're not grounded out. Also, test out your oven temperature sensor at room temperature, and you should be reading right around about 1100 ohms. Now, once you went through the fault codes in the system and fixed whatever you wanted to fix inside of it, the next thing you want to do is a control reset. To do a control reset, let's go ahead and exit out of the faults. Go ahead and press cancel start one more time and scroll with the number 3 all the way to, I think it's the 6th number, and it will say control reset. Go ahead and press start, reset the whole unit, and start from scratch. Well, that's all I have on this oven. YouTube, if you enjoy my content, again, make sure you like and subscribe, and as always, I'll see you next time.